Hello guys. Welcome to MenCyclopedia. You guys out there finding ways to attract the hot and spicy girl you're into and make her fall for you instantly. So yes, you're on the right place. So let's get to the first point. Number 1. Smell good. Yes, you heard it. You have to smell good. Let's say a hot girl coming up to you and she smells disgusting. Would you even try to talk with her? No, exactly. So the same goes to a guy. When you smell good, that's an instant turn on for the girls. Try to invest on a good fragrance, a good body wash, and take care of your mouth odor. Number 2. Build confidence. Yes, 99.9% of the women out there like guys with confidence. That's what's called sexy. Guys, come on. You want to look like a superhero? Iron Man, Batman, in the eyes of the girl you like? If yes, then first, start working on your confidence. A guy with confidence can get any girls instantly. Number 3. Work on your posture. No, any girls likes a guy who walks like a weak old dude. No way. Work on your posture, guys. That shows that you're a confidence guy and fit too. Start working out, have a healthy diet. Drop us a comment if you want a video on a healthy diet. Number 4. Take care of yourself. Have good skincare routine. Either you're dark, brown, or fair, girls doesn't care about your skin tone. But when you have flawless healthy skin, yes. That's an instant turn on for the girls. Take care of your nails. Take care on how you dress. Have a good hairstyle. If you a guy having a beard, take care of them too. Number 5. Make her laugh. Girls like guys who are funny and who can make her smile. Yes guys, keep your conversation a bit funny, make her smile, trust me, she is going to feel good when you are going to be around. Don't go cracking jokes about her or making fun of how she looks or how she dresses. That's a big no-no. Number 6. Have goals. Yes, in women's eyes, guys who are busy running towards their goals are seen to be attractive and successful. Come on guys, girls don't like a guy who is jobless, always goes behind a girl trying to get her attention. No, for God's sake, we are in 2020, so have goals. Work on achieving the goals. Trust me, you will be seen way more attractive than before. Number 7. Make eye contact. Guys, when you are talking to a girl, make eye contact with her. Look into her eyes and talk to her. When you do that, that shows that you consider the conversation important and respect the girl you are talking to and her opinions. So, next time you talk to a girl, look into her eyes and continue with the conversation. Number 8. Tell her secrets. No, guys, not about when was your last masturbate, not that. Something personal that not everyone can know. By this she will notice that you trust her, and which will indeed make her trust you too. Earning the trust from a girl is very difficult. But once you earn her trust, that's it, now you are on her mind, standing out from all the other guys she knows.
So you're telling me there's a chance? Yeah!
Number 9. Eliminate your shyness. Guys, step forward, break the shyness. You have to go talk to the girl you like. If you're going to be shy and postpone everything for tomorrow, then your crush is gone, taken by someone else. So stop being afraid and nervous, go talk to the girl you like. So, get up. Go to her. And talk to her right now. That's all for today, guys. Hope those tips will be very useful to make your crush or any girl fall for you instantly. If you liked the video, leave us a like and comment below what do you want us to make a video on next. And please do subscribe for more videos and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video. Cheers.